It's got those cool looking eyes on the front of that 44 machine. They're going to pick up speed. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Nick Schneider just about made it 3 wide. Still wants to try to make it 3 wide. And do they go 4 wide? Is Nick Schneider... Wow, that was interesting. I'm not sure what happened there, but he was going to try to squeeze through the middle. It wasn't going to work. As David Russell Jr. is going to try to pull away, Amanda Bone is going to go on the outside of Snow to pass him, and Nick Schneider now going around him. So Todd Snow in the 44 off the pace a little bit. As they are coming around here, single file racing. You can watch Nick Schneider in the turns there as he's right there on the rear end of Amanda Bone, looking to make a challenge for second place. This is going to be an 8-lap heat race for these Miller Lite American short trackers. Nick Schneider starting to get a run on Amanda Bone. She pulls away a little bit coming out of the turns. Nick Schneider seems to kind of catch up to her going into the turns. So we're going to have a little battle there. Everybody else kind of single file. I know David Russell Jr. last Saturday night when they were out here having some difficulties with the short tracker and his Super Cup car. I guess he told me that his spark plug wire came off in his Super Cup car, and he was like, doggone it, we had a good car, just, you know, didn't know it, and figured it out at the end of the race there, just had to put the spark plug wire back on. So, watch out, Nick Schneider right there with Amanda Bone. Looked like he was going to make a move, and that rear end almost came around on him. Once again, they come out of the turn, and Amanda Bone will pull away, and Nick Schneider will catch her going into the turn. But white flag by for David Russell that time. Nick Schneider definitely giving Amanda Bone a good run for her money here, as she's running really good here. She's also a rookie. It's going to be David Russell for the win, followed by Amanda Bone, Nick Schneider, and Todd Snow will round out the field. All right, he's going to come around. We're going to talk about him. Once again, like I said, this guy just yesterday sends me a picture. He caught a 4-pound largemouth bass out of 4 Lakes. That's awesome. Driving an '89 Ford Mustang out of Rockford, Illinois. Extreme Express Transport, Windsor Auto Sales, ADV Racing, Mike and Jan, and racing at Rockford. As he's getting out of the car, make some noise, it's David Russell Jr. All right, heat number 2 for the Miller Lite American short trackers. It's going to be our fast heat. Inside row 1, glad to see him back here again this week after having a lot of damage on that car last week. That is the 50 car of Sean Rickelman. Outside of Sean Rickelman is going to be the 29 car of Todd Bridges out of Winnebago, Illinois. Inside row 2, the only front-wheel drive in the series, that is the 33 of Tim Finstad. Outside of him is the 25, that is a rookie, that is breakout Sean Bauer, and back there by himself, your fast qualifier, Kelly Evink. Sean Bauer just last week got into that Mustang that he's driving now and had went from a front-wheel drive to a rear-wheel